Yo, 83 minutes on the bus. £5.80 out of my pocket. Standing at the bus stop in the wind like a lost soul. You know them ones. And I thought, there's gotta be a better way, bro. So I did the same route again. Same city, same roads. But this time, I linked up with the gang. Electric bikes, electric scooters, the whole crew. Rolling out together.
They're like, we own this city.
And the difference, bro. I need to talk about what I found out. Because one of these is a lifestyle. And one of these is a waiting room on wheels that charges you for the privilege. Stay with me. This one's gonna hit different. Right. So here's how this went down. 2 separate days, same route across the city. And I documented both of them properly. Full, honest comparison. No tricks, no editing magic. Day 1. Full civilian mode. Bus app downloaded. If you're in London, Oyster card, my guy. I'm ready. I'm doing this properly, bro. I'm commuting like a normal person. I'm giving the bus a fair shot because I know some of you man gonna defend it in the comments. And I respect that. So, I gave it every chance. Day 2. Linked up with the gang. And when I say gang, I mean the electric bike gang. DT2 Pro, pocket mods, e-scooters, e-bikes. The whole crew rolling out together. Same route, same destination. Different everything. Now, here's what I'm looking at. Journey time, how much it actually costs, the vibe. And yes, the vibe counts, bro, because you're gonna do this commute 5 days a week, and which one actually makes sense for real people living in UK 2026. Let's get into it. Day 1, bus day. And I want to be fair here. I really do. I tap my card. £5.80. Gone. Just like that. No hesitation from the machine, bro. The machine ate it immediately. £5 for one journey? That, to be fair, it was a day ticket. I found a seat. So, let's find a chair that's a bit cleaner. You look clean. Can I sit on you? Yeah, that. Already off to a brilliant start. And then, we're moving. Sort of. The bus pulls out and immediately hits a queue at the first traffic light. Then, a second queue. Then, was stopping to let someone on who wasn't even at the stop. They were running from down the road, bro. The driver, God bless him, he waited, which is kind, genuinely kind, but bro, I'm timing this. Every few stops, the same pattern. Doors open, someone boards slow. Someone needs change. Someone's asking the driver for directions. The bus just sits there. Stationary. And you're sitting there too, completely helpless. You cannot do anything. You cannot take a different route. You cannot even speed up when there's opening in the traffic. You are cargo, bro. Expensive, uncomfortable cargo. And here's the thing nobody talks about. The bus route doesn't go where you want to go. It goes where it wants to go. You are fitting your life around its routes, its timetables, its stops. You don't get to say, actually, let's cut through here. You don't get to say there's less traffic down the road. You sit there and you obey the route. 83 minutes later. 83 minutes. Let that sink in.
Stop. Warrington Road.
Okay, one thing about public transport, the journey there is boring, bro. I arrive, not refreshed, not energized, just there. Like I've been processed, fed through the system and deposited at the other end. That's the bus experience. And I paid £5.80 for it. Day 2. And the energy is completely different before we even set off. The gang is linking up. Bikes coming from everywhere. I'm talking electric bikes. Someone's on an e-scooter. Someone's doing a little warm-up circle thing in the car park. Someone else is checking their charge. I'm on 70%. I'm good, bro. The awesome DT2 Pro is there looking absolutely menacing, bro. That thing looks fast standing still. And the pocket mod, the Razor pocket mod. I'll be honest with you with this one. I'm not sure about the pocket mod, but before this ride, that was the case. We'll come back to this one. Yo, my guy just lost his 70-pound ball. It's like $70, man, or $80. But, oh no, bro, it's getting all the birds and thing. Oh, just don't let it drop in, like, you know. Don't get pulled in either by that. I think that's too heavy. Yeah, it's not gonna reach over. No. What you wanna do is try and do waves. Waves to bring it to the side. Oh man. 80 pounds gone down in the canal. That was such a beautiful ball as well, man. What are you gonna do, man? Huh? What are you gonna do? You just lost the premiership ball.
What about this one?
Huh?
This one's bigger.
When you gonna start crying? He's not.
It'll drag that in.
This one.
Yes, you hear that? I think that's our mission, bro. We're gonna make waves, right? That's the one. But towards us, I think that's too big. We need to. That's too. It's tall enough. It's long enough. Sorry, but it's too big. We get thrown into the canal. What are we gonna do? Oh no! I'm gonna try and make some waves with this. I don't know whether it's coming towards me or what, guys. I think it's coming towards us. I don't want to like start making waves with my stick and then push it away, you know? No, now it's going the opposite way. We just lost our football. Football back. He's out in the water. He's out in the water. Watch out. Oh my God. He just got his $90 football back. He's so outside. She's chilling on the Razor GoPed. 36 volt. MI1020 motor. That thing is kind of sick. Low key. We've got the pedal assist, stock, UK legal e-bike over there. Over here with a dual motor, 45 mile an hour top speed. Awesome DT2 Pro, 52 volts, 48 volt beach cruiser. If you don't know about that bike, check out the link over there. My guy over here, he's riding the chaos, bro. Bring back the chaos. Chain drive, mid motor. It's like a Saron in a scooter, bro. Chunky off-road tires. We got gravel paths, tow paths, canal, UK bike life. We're getting it today. He just flicked the switch on. Come on, ready to go. How's your battery looking over here? Ooh, nice, nice. You know, flick this thing on over here. Flick it on like that. There we go. We're on. We're good to go. What you say?
Top speed on this thing.
The top speed on this thing? You're about to find out. I'll be right behind you when you find out. Okay, so we flick that on. Yeah, that's it. Let's get moving. Yeah, you got it? Yeah, we're gone. Hella cool with the blue lights and things. Damn, she just switched them off though. Bro, oh. Yeah, we're gone. We're outside. So she riding the dual motor DT2 Pro, 45 miles an hour top speed. That thing is insane. Riding like a responsible rider, of course. She's sticking to the speed limits around people. You know, these tow paths are over 200 years old. We used to I'm right next to you. We used to ride horses. Horses used to pull a canal boat over here on these paths that are over 200 years old. E-bike, eyes on the road, that's the one. Keep the flow going. Yeah, that's the one. Now we're rolling. So over here she got the pocket mod, Razor pocket mod, 36 volt MI1020 motor with a 28H battery. Hello, there's a lot of dogs outside, so we got to be careful on our vehicle. That's it, nice and slow for the beautiful, right? Gorgeous dogs out here. I like how she's so respectful to people, pedestrians. She keeps a nice distance. She slows down. Oh, there's nice little potholes there. Let's see how she does as we go downhill. There's a nice little ditch here. She slows down for it. Nice riding. Just missing a helmet, but nice riding. Absolutely. On the pocket mods, I love that thing, man. It's just epic. Miles after miles. Hello, good afternoon. She goes. Pocket mods outside, chain driven, looking epic. Hey, do you feel like Batwoman or Catwoman? You look like Catwoman right now. You know, you got like your leather coat and thing. Catwoman over there. Keep up, Catwoman. Everyone over here. Hey, yo. Y'all gotta slow down, you know. We like left someone over here. Hi. Oh, these are like leaving our rider back here, you know. So we gotta wait for our rider, man. We gotta wait for a girl. Go, go, go. Yeah, electro power. Hey, shout out to the man them more doing it in UK, you know. Lecky power. Shout out to you, man. You get me? Oh man, we outside. Shout out to Voltage Rides. I've been watching your thing, bro. You're on it, bro. You're on to something. You just gotta calm down on the British roads. Check him out, bro. Anyway, we got some sick YouTubers out here doing it for the UK on the map. Go past the Razor mods, pocket mods. That thing is sick, bro. Rocking the e-bike battery in there. And over here we got the rear wheel drive chaos scooter, bro. My guy doesn't know what the top speed is yet, so we're gonna have to do a little flyby, check out what his top speed is. I think I already know, maybe 30 miles an hour, but he knows not to ride at 30 miles an hour all the time. Oh, you gotta love these pedal bikes, the way you can just stand up like so, you know. Oh no, go in front. That's it. Yeah. All right, go. Let's see our top speed. And we gone. Top speed check. We're climbing and climbing and climbing. The GPS top speed right now should be accurate. I think right about here we might be at top right now. And we're catching up to these, so yeah. Well done. Bike life. You know them ones. Bike life. Come on. Yes. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Everyone's outside on their bikes. You gotta love this thing, bro. You gotta love this bike life out here. You know, that battery over there lasts 120 miles, so she can actually stay on the throttle, keep it moving, bro. Anyway, she's walking 250 watts down there on the rear hub motor. Pedal assist with a chipped throttle. The throttle's meant to do up to 4 miles an hour. That one can do up to 15 miles an hour. And it was built before 2016, so it's actually legal, that one. And past the little gray area. What are you stopping for? Come on. Come on. You're losing momentum. All right. We go. Oh man, that's the famous electric fence. You touch the electric fence and nothing happens. BMX life. Yes, bro. Yeah, that's how you do it, bro. That's cool as 20-inch rims. That one's on 19-inch rims. 20-inch rims, cruising out here, bro, on such cool smooth paths. Epic, epic. So, did you know that if I count down to 3, I could race you and smoke you? Like 3, 2, 1. Bye, 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 bye. Anyways, 102, 102, 102. Oh my, what? I'm still with you. What the hell? Oh, that thing can move, bro. Yo, what? Oh, that's twin wheel dual motor is insane. Absolutely insane. Wow. Now that's a scoot. Left turn. Wow. Oh my God, that is epic. Absolutely epic. And look at my rider. Oh, she left me, bro, so I'm back on. Oh, voltage sag. Oh, I just got smoked by a girl, bro. GoPro is on. GoPro is on as we go past the beautiful swans with their 8 beautiful babies. I'm gonna show y'all this real quickly. Look at this, bro. Come on. I know you're not here for this, but come on, just appreciate, bro. And from literally the first 30 seconds, it's obvious there's completely a different experience. One not trapped on the main road, one not queuing behind the lorry at the lights, or moving, bro, properly moving.
Oh, it's shaking.
Sorry, did you get the top speed then?
40.
40, okay, so still had some more to go. All right, numbers time, because I know some of you are still not convinced, but that's fine. Let's look at the actual Rasta data. bus, 83 minutes, £5.80. That's about $8. Electric bike gang, same route, a fraction of the cost, about 11 pence a charge on each battery. We're talking pennies, genuinely pennies. You've seen the footage. Now, let's talk about real money, bro. Because £5.80 sounds nothing until you actually do the maths. 5 days a week, that's £29 every week on the bus. Times that by 52 weeks, and you're looking at that £1,508 per year. Just to sit in a moving waiting room on a fixed route that doesn't even go nowhere near where you want. £1,508, bro. I'll just leave that there. Now, I'm not saying ditch the bus completely. There are days when it's absolutely throwing it down outside. When you're in your work clothes, when it's -5 and you've got somewhere to be, yeah, the bus is this place. It's your backup. You know them ones. Keep the app on your phone. Keep the card topped up. You're going to need it sometimes. But if you have access to an electric bike or an e-scooter, if you can get on 2 wheels and roll with the bike gang, there is genuinely no contest.